morning, everyone. US markets closed marginally lower as Fed's chief Powell said that US has to get high inflation, which is at over 8%, back down to the 2% target. He accepted that the steep rate increases could cause an economic contraction and accepted the possibility of a recession. As per his May month speech, if you see, there was no mention of any pressure on economy or anything. But this time around, Fed has also started accepting possibility of recession. Asian markets are mixed today morning. Brent crude oil is continues to decline. It was down 2% and is currently at $109. This consistent decline is leading to softening in bond yields across the globe. If we see US 10-year yield has come down by 30 basis points in last 1 week and is currently at 3.15%. Similarly, India's 10-year yield has also declined by 20 basis points in a week and is currently at 7.4%. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Jihan. A very good morning, everyone. This is Ayush Mehta. I'll be covering the technical part for today. So, in yesterday's market, we have seen a sell-off. It was volatile during the day. So, taking the cues from the global market, we feel markets are open slightly on a positive note, around 40 to 50 points up. But again, we feel it's going to be a volatile move during the day. So, Nifty has a swing resistance on the upside of 15,735 to 740 levels. In the future, we feel it's going to test that in next 1 to 2 days. So for today, the immediate resistance for Nifty is currently placed at 15,530. And if we witness a good bounce and a good buying in this, then we can expect 15,640 to 15,740 levels in next 2 to 3 trading sessions. Whereas if Nifty loses momentum and again witness selling pressure, then the immediate support for this index is currently placed at 15,340. Followed by 15,280. Whereas when we move to Bank Nifty didn't show very good momentum in last 2 to 3 trading sessions. It was mostly flat. So today we feel if like taking the cues from the global market, if you feel there's a buying in the Bank Nifty also, then the immediate resistance for this index is currently placed at 33,050. And if you witness closing above that, it can move towards 33,370 to 33,640. Whereas immediate support for this index is currently placed at 32,600, followed by 32,280. Nifty Financial Services. So this index closed at 15,000 level. This index was mostly flat, not very volatile. So for today, the immediate resistance for this index is currently placed at 15,100, followed by 15,220. And support is placed at 14,930 and 14,850. Positive stock, MGL, Hinpetro and Birlasoft have shown positive momentum in yesterday's market, whereas Sun TV, Hindcopper and Hindalco has shown negative momentum. Stock specific, Shriram Transport Finance is currently looking good at this level. One can take in buy position with a target of 1240. We've already initiated a buy call on that, but you should keep a stop loss of 1120. That's all from my side. I request derivative guys to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ayush. Good morning, everyone. So, as for derivatives data front, in yesterday's trading session, again we witnessed that the market has seen a sell-off momentum from the resistance, which was placed at 15,600 level. So, Nifty is currently trading in the range of 15,600 to 15,000 level. Once again, if Nifty goes over 15,600 level, then again we might witness a fresh long position in the market. Currently, as per the OI position in yesterday's trading session, witnessed that from 15,400 to 15,800 striker call writer positions are continuously getting added up, while against that the put writer positions are getting liquidated in front of them. So this is a negative scenario as per the OI position. So the another negative factor from is that Nifty again in national trading session gave closing in a discount of around 10 points. So again from last 2 days we are witnessing that Nifty is giving closing in a discount level, while FIs are continuously into selling more. As I mentioned in previous trading sessions, that once if India VIX is not going below 18 level till that point of time, we might witness some negative scenario in the market, and the volatility would be very high. So currently, as per the derivative data point, we expect the market momentum to be cautious and should hold your long position at the strict stop losses. Once again, on the downside, Nifty is facing the strong support at 15,150 level and the resistance at 15,600 level. Till the point of time Nifty gives closing of this support and resistance level, then only trend might be witnessed for the negative or the positive front. Currently, we expect the market to remain in the range of these 350 points in coming trading session. That's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
So, good morning, everyone. Today, Glenmark has announced that they have received six observations from US FDA for their Baddi plant. So, this is overall negative for Glenmark, though we don't know the nature, but six observation is on the higher side. So, this we can expect the same reaction in today's trade. The another update about the BASF, that is BASF global company, and its CEO Mr. Martin has said that they expect downturn in second half 2022, that is the calendar year 2022, because they expect the inflation to impact consumer demand, although supply chains are likely to ease. So this can have an impact on overall chemical sector because of the demand outlook coming down. So, and we can also see that if the Q1 numbers the chemical companies would be announcing, if the commentary matches with this, we can expect that the growth would again shift to FY23, and that is why we can expect some muted session for chemical companies in today's trade based on this comment. Thank you.
On Spandana Spurti Financial, the issue that was there between the promoter, which is the private equity firm Kedara, and the erstwhile MD, Miss Padmaja Reddy, they both have agreed to settle all disputes amicably. The issue actually started few months back when Kedara wanted to run the company in a different way and sell the microfinance company, whereas the previous MD, Miss Padmaja, was not agreeing to selling out the company at the stated valuation, and she wanted higher valuation, and she felt it was not the right time to sell the company. So the dispute started between the two, and also the MD holds around 16% stake in the company. So this led to a tussle, and post which the MD resigned a few months back. Then because of her shareholding in the company, she was not willing to sign the non-compete clause, etc., because she wanted to start a separate company, and there was fear that Kedara felt that she would poach employees from the existing company to her new company. So now they have came to an amicable solution, and this is positive for Spandana Spurti. Stock is available at very attractive valuations, and we feel there could be decent upsides from here. Another news is on GPT Infra Projects, where the company has bagged almost 300 crores of railway orders. And looking at the size of the company, this seems to be positive for GPT Infra Projects. Thank you. That's it from us this morning. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.